Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jamaica Beckett, and today I will be talking to you guys about conducting the chi-square test of independence, and this is for GRE 605 CIU. On today's agenda is the definition, the Curtis V in the Curtis table, 3 chi-squares of the independent test, the takeaways, and if you guys have any questions for me. So with the definition and the tools, chi-square, there are basically two types of chi-squares, and both are used in chi-square secrets and the squares for different purpose. The chi-square goodness of a fit the test determine if the simple data match the population. For more details on the type, see the goodness fit test. The chi-square test of independence compare two variables of the condition tables to see if they're related and more during sequence. It tests to see whether the distributions of the categories verbalize difference from each other. A very small chi-square test quiz means that there are observations, data that fit in experience for data and well, in other ways, words that there is relationships. A very large chi-square test sequence means that the data does not fit well. In other words, there is no relationship. And I put my reference to the bottom. That's basically where I got my definitions, where I pull everything from. The definition is tools of the variable B's. The variable B's is basically the most popular of the chi-squares meanings and the normals essence because it is given good normal from 0 to 1 regardless of the table size. And when the rows, matter of fact, equals common meanings, whereas equals that the square root of chi-square is divided by the simple size time in which the smallest of row -1 and column -1 equals V. And here is basically this table that was basically given to us. And here are basically the breakdowns from the scholars to the association of V and the independence, and in the comments they're basically telling if there is a relationship or if there is a relationship. My first hypothesis test is number cause and number H0, there is no relationship at all between the number cause and the verbs. With HA, there is a relationship between the number cause and the variable. The chi-squares sequence is p-value, where the calculation is used for PSPP, which A equals 0.05, and there is no relationship between this. And it's x2 6 comma n equals 150 equals 6.68 equals p equals 0.15. The second test, as you can see with the conference and the difference, as for the first test, is basically the same with the H0 and HA. H0, there's no relationship between the two. With HA, there is a relationship with two. And there's the same with the chi-square status, and it equals p-value, where the calculation is PSPP, assuming A equals 0.05. There is no relationship, which is x equals x2 parentheses 6 comma n equals 150 parentheses equals 6.6068, excuse me, p equals 0.150 parentheses. For test 3, just like the last two tests, with H0, there's no relationship between the two. With HA, there's a relationship between the two. And the same as the other one with the chi-squares, the p-value is calculated with p using PSPP, which assumes A equals 0.05. There's a relationship among it, which is parentheses x2 parentheses 9 comma n equals 150 equals 450, P minus 0.00, V minus 1.00. And of course, this V indicates the perfect symmetry with the relationship. The takeaways that I have for you guys is based on reference V explains how strong the relationship is, following reference B with if the news is rejected. This is basically all I have for you guys to take away, and those are the important facts that I believe. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me or leave comments under the video. Thank you. Have a blessed day.